miracle cleaning product you can use all around your home. It's non-toxic and only 2 ingredients that you probably already have on hand. If I've said it once, I've said it 1,000 times. We do not need harsh chemical cleaners for the majority of cleaning around our home. In fact, most times for our day-to-day cleaning tasks, you can get by with very simple ingredients. Save those bigger cleaners for tougher jobs when simple things don't cut it. Today, we are making my DIY cleaning paste, and it is just baking soda and dish soap, and it can be used all around your home. So grab those ingredients and a container to mix it up in. We're gonna make it, I'm gonna show you how to use it. The beautiful thing about this recipe is that there is no measuring. We are simply going to eyeball it. So start with your baking soda, get a dish you're gonna mix this up in. I start with maybe about a cup, pour that in there, and then you're gonna grab your dish soap. Now you can use any kind of dish soap that you would like. If you want a cleaner option, I like the Attitude brand. I will link it below. Or you could use Castile soap. I will also link that. This one is very gentle and mild. It is a vegetable-based soap. It gets its name because it comes from the Castile region of Spain. But this one is so gentle that you can use this to bathe. You can wash yourself, wash your hair, but it's great in cleaning recipes as well. They make some scented ones. I use the baby version, so it's unscented, but whichever one you like. If you want a little scent in there, use one of the scented ones if you would like. So you are gonna just add the soap. Maybe start with like a 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup, eyeballing again, but you just want it to be the consistency of icing. So just start mixing it in until it starts to look like icing. And I go for an icing that's more on the thin side. This allows it to be pourable, so then you can pour it in sinks, bathtubs, showers, and so on. So do that, mix it all up until it looks like icing. It's gonna look good enough to eat, but don't. And yeah, you just are gonna store it in like an airtight container, but now you're ready to just sort of grab a rag or an electric scrubber or something and bring it along with you to clean. Let's start in the bathroom. Okay, so the bathroom is one of my favorite places to use this because truly, aside from the toilet, you can really use it everywhere. So this is a great cleaner for your sinks, and a little goes a long way, by the way. So again, I like to keep it thin so it just sort of pours out, and you can either make a big batch and keep it, or you can just sort of make it as you need it. I will say, if you make a larger batch and you don't use it all at once, it will solidify. When you go to use it again, just add some water or a little more soap to thin it back out so that it's ready to go again. But otherwise, yeah, sinks, it's wonderful. Tubs, it's really good. And your shower, it is excellent. Shower floor, walls, all of that. Now, the reason it's so good is because it's nice and creamy. It creates a nice lather, which for things like maybe dirty shower floor or dirty sink bowls, that can be really nice. Now, that's how I love to use it in the bathroom. You can also use this in the kitchen. Pretty much everywhere, your kitchen sink, dirty refrigerator shelves if you want, your stove, your oven. I have used this to clean dirty grout as well. It works really well combined with an electric scrubber or like a toothbrush, something just to help scrub it along. And then throughout the home, I really love it for maybe outside patio furniture if you want, or scuff marks on a baseboard. It's really good for that. Truly, so many uses. 2 ingredients, 1 product. You simply walk around your home with it, cleaning, and then following obviously with a damp cloth to wipe things off or rinse it down. But this one is so good, you guys, and so easy. And that is truly all there is to it. Just a quick little video showing how easy this is and how many uses it has around your home. So not only is this gonna save you money, but it's a great way just to cut back on some chemicals, because truly these simple ingredients, it's all you need for your basic cleaning. Again, when you run into tougher jobs, that's when maybe we need what I call a bigger dog, right, to tackle those. But I always love to start with the most natural, simplest methods first, and then work up from there. So if you liked this video, hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to check out the description. I'm gonna link everything used here, including some of my favorite electric scrubbers and handheld scrubbers and things like that you can use along with this scrub. And for even more DIY recipes, I have an ebook as well, filled with things for all over the home that you can make with just a few ingredients. So that'll be in the description below. Follow along for more helpful cleaning tips.